Welcome everybody. Today we have a beautiful 1957 Chevrolet 3100. We'll call it a retro rod because they did a really good job of keeping its original vintage appeal, but yet they've given it all the modern upgrades. Fuel injected 350, vintage air, overdrive, leather interior, power windows, all sorts of good stuff. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. It's an all-metal truck, frame off restored about 4,100 miles ago. The 57 has these nice little bulges right here. I think that's cool looking. All the metals clean, straight, all nice, clean fender, all looking real good, real nice all the way to the bottom here. All nice and clean. Doors open and close nicely. They got new latches. Shuts real nice for an old farm truck. The rocker's clean. The cab corners are clean. All of this is nice. The roof is straight. All metal fenders in the back too. The whole box is all really nice. The old style tailgate, probably a reproduction tailgate, but got the old chains. Now this is custom. They've relocated the gas cap from inside the truck behind the seat to back here, and the tank's under the truck. There is a little touch up right there, two of them actually. And that's really about the only flaw that I noticed. I'm sure there's more, but I've been around the truck here for the last hour, and this is all clean. Door shuts real nicely. Straight, clean metal body. It's a straight white, real high gloss white, polished real smooth. This is called fiery red metallic, just enough to give it some real nice pop. And then it also has this pinstripe up front and on the tailgate, the old vintage style hand pinstripe. All the chrome has been replaced, the grille, the bumper, the bezels, the lenses, antenna, dual mirrors, wiper arms, door handles, even the vent window frames. So it looks like all the chrome has been replaced along with all new smoked glass. Not stick-on tint, but it's actual smoked glass. All the weather strips were replaced. So this was taken down to just a bare shell, and all this stuff went back on new when they restored the truck. Sitting on some real nice, smooth 15-inch rims painted that same fiery red. Michelin tires, still has the nubs on the tread, so I'm assuming they don't have hardly any miles on them. Much fatter in the back, has that nice stance, sitting just right. Has some blue dots in the original style taillights, but to be safe, they've also added LED lights down here, so people see you stopping and turning. So yeah, good looking truck on the outside, just as nice looking inside. Why don't we check it out? So this is the old school tailgate. You just take the hook off there and each side and it swings down. Now inside is redone. The sides are sprayed with a real durable like bed liner. It's color matched. And I think these little wheel well tubs were added for the wide tires. I think it would have been straight originally. Down on the floor, it has some nice wood and stainless steel strips. And it comes with a car cover as well. Again, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. That way you're notified as new videos are posted. Check out our website too. I promise you'll enjoy that. So the whole inside of the cab was gutted. It was all repainted. It's a two-tone white and red. The little running board inside the door jamb is painted with the chip guard. And any upholstery in here is genuine leather. That door panel, the armrest, that is leather. And I got to show you something real cool. I love this. All new handles, but that's not a window crank. It's a power window. And yeah, even the chrome frame around the windows have been replaced. All this is new, so very cool. I like that. Now the dash, said was all repainted. All the knobs are new. Whole new instrument cluster, 4,000 miles on it. There's a tachometer, all looking good. This is all replaced. Now this is an AM/FM Bluetooth stereo. Um, Vintage Air, electric slides. It looks like the original, but they're not old cables. They're electric. Sirius satellite capability right here. That's for the sniper fuel injection. It gives you some digital readouts. A nicely installed AC vents. We got speakers. Now down on the floor has carpet and mats. And this is actual leather bound edges around the carpeting and mats. And they made the kick panels too look real nice. Genuine leather seats, an all new custom seat. It has this nice armrest that opens. Cup holder comes out. Check that out. Very comfortable, nice and firm. You got new seat belts. And then behind the seat, 6x9 speakers, and it's all carpeted. And yeah, that's leather edges around the carpet. Everything's painted. We got a leather matching headrest, leather visors, reproduction day and night mirror. Now the steering wheel, this is like a 56 or 57 Chevy wheel, but it's smaller, and it's on an I Did It polished tilt column. It has an American wiring harness and fuse block in here. There's sound deadener under the carpet. We got fancy pedals. Very comfortable truck to sit in. They've even put a power window switch for the passenger side over on the driver's side in case you want to open both windows from the driver's seat. So that's a rebuilt 350 motor. It's painted that fiery red metallic. That's an aluminum air gap intake with the sniper fuel injection. And that's an MSD, I think it's called a Street Fighter ignition. You got a nice dipstick tube for the trans. And then we have matching valve covers and air cleaner. Battery is where they originally located them. Now the whole firewall is clean. You don't see a lot of clutter, and it's all sprayed in that. This is super durable white chip guard, like bed liner paint. Also, I almost forgot about these nice hinges. They were $600 or $700 for these billet hinges, and they work so smooth. Now up front, we got horns, new ones. We got a nice aluminum radiator with a shroud and clutch fan. All that stuff looks new. It's a Vintage Air heat and AC system, a one-wire alternator, modern power steering system. I think it's a Detroit Speed power steering pump, ram horn exhaust manifolds. And again, just look how clean and uncluttered it is. The best part is how it runs. Michael's going to show you, and we'll see in a few minutes.
Everybody, got a real nice all-day cruiser here. Fuel injected 350 under the hood. It's really nice to have that turnkey reliability. I just got in, started right up, didn't even think twice. That's paired with a 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission, so you got that extra gear going down the highway, no problem. It's a scorching hot day here today, and we do have the air conditioning on. That works really well. This one's got a Bluetooth stereo that looks like the original one, which is really cool. And then we got things like a tilt column and power windows integrated into these really nice original looking cranks here. Ooh, and then we got a really nice comfortable real genuine leather upholstery on this bench seat here. Let us have the full down armrest with the cup holders and everything like that. I'm really liking this one. Let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, without a thought, it's up to 60 miles an hour. Really nice cruiser someone's gonna get here. You know, outside of the aesthetics, mechanically it works really well. Just eased into it, and there's we did everything that we wanted to. Let's see how it goes down the road here. Set up really nice. It's got aftermarket TCI suspension and frame off build. So it's set up really nicely, and it flew through our shop. We just detailed it. We did not repair anything that I'm aware of. So really nice combination of parts here. Make for a really nice car. Check out all the details at volocars.com.
So as I said earlier, I think I said it, this body was off the frame for restoration. The entire frame and chassis was all prepped and painted a semi-gloss black. It's a TCI suspension. Has up front the whole independent suspension system, the custom cross member, tubular control arms, Ride Tech coilover adjustable gas shocks, a sway bar, and rack and pinion steering. So it's power, rack, and pinion. And back it has the TCI leaf spring kit, and the shocks look like they're new. Brake system was completely replaced, upgraded with disc in the front. It's power brakes, the power booster and master is mounted under the truck. E-brake cables are hooked up. You know, the lines were replaced. Custom fuel tank. They used to be behind the seat. Well, that's not too smart. They have a bomb inside your vehicle, so now they put them underneath. It's an aluminum tank. Custom dual exhaust goes all the way back. It has a crossover pipe, glass pack style mufflers. You look up at the motor, it's clean. It's painted that red even from underneath. All the components look clean. It has a 700 R4 overdrive automatic, so you can get out on the highway and cruise real nicely. Custom drive shaft goes back to a heavy-duty 9-inch rear end with 350 gears. By the way, this comes with a stack of paperwork, wiring diagrams, and all sorts of stuff. There's a picture of that on our website. So yeah, really nice truck. Show and go, I call it. You can go to any car show and be proud. You're going to turn heads wherever you go, and yet it's comfortable. That leather seat and the power windows and the cool air conditioning and the Bluetooth stereo. You're just going to enjoy driving. You're not going to want to go sit at a show. You're going to want to go hit the highway. Go to volocars.com. A salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get your 57 Chevy delivered home. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.